I just harvested this, and I don't know if y'all can hear, but it's rain coming down. And on tomorrow's video, this one, I'm going to eat this one. I'm going to give the other ones away, but I'm going to eat this one. All right. But I'm going to show you all my meal that I prepare with this tomorrow, okay? I need to get out the rain, y'all. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So today, guys, I'm going to prepare this eggplant for with my lunch today. I'm baking a chicken right now, and yeah, I have some red beans and rice because it's Monday. But I would just walk this through with you all how I'm going to prepare it, but I broke my tripod, y'all. I broke it. So we can't do that. But this is some garlic I just chopped up, some red bell peppers, there's green bell peppers, there's some green onion from the garden. Oh, both of the bell peppers is from the garden too. And some green onions in there too. And I'm going to go out and get some celery. I have some celery out there, so I'm going to go get some celery. And I'm going to get some lemon thyme and put in this little stash. And this is the seasoning I'm going to use to cook this baby. All right, I'll share with you the next step I get to. All right, so now I have everything. I have green onions, red and green bell peppers, lots of garlic. That's some lemon thyme. What else is in there? Some celery's in there. And this is ginger. I have some cornstarch and some oil. That is the star of the show. The shooting star eggplants. Yay! Now I'm gonna let them set for about 15 minutes. Let them sweat out a little bit. Usually, you would put salt in here, but I'm not doing that, y'all. I may put a little bit, just a tad. Kind of let it sweat out a little bit. Get a little moisture in there, and then I'm gonna dab them off a little drier. Then we're gonna start adding some cornstarch, and we're gonna fry them crispy first. Crispy. All right, guys. So I put cornstarch. That's all is on these eggplant is cornstarch. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna fry them until they're crispy, and then I'm gonna take them out. Then I'm gonna make a sauce. And I'm gonna use some of this. Yeah, not a lot, but I'm gonna use some of that. Yeah, and a whole lot of that. Ooh. All right. Those are my eggplants, and they cooked. They're really crispy. Sorry, my hand's got cornstarch on it, but they're very crispy. So now I'm gonna make my sauce. All right. So this is just some of the fresh seasoning in a little oil, and this is just vegetable oil, y'all. That's all. Yeah, sorry about that. Now I'm gonna I gotta go. So that is soy sauce. I'm gonna use put some more in there, baby. All right. All right, so made a little slurry. It's a little slurry. Wait one second. Alright. So yeah, I made a little slurry with some cornstarch. That's all. And now, I think I'm going to put just a little cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. Just a little. I need a little kick. Alright, so now, guys, I'm going to take all of my eggplants. Just put them in there. Now, I seen this recipe on the internet. Yeah, that's where I got this recipe from. I hope it does me well, because it looks delicious. It looks delicious to me, so I hope. All right, guys, let me plate this baby up because she ready. She ready. All right. So this is my shooting star eggplant. It looks so delicious, but I'm gonna give it a taste, y'all. I wish I had some. What is that? Some pepper flakes, but I don't have any pepper flakes. But I did put some cayenne pepper in here. So I wanted something with just a little kick, you know? Just a little bit, just a little. But here we go, y'all. So I haven't eaten eggplants in maybe 2 or 3 years. And I hope I don't break out, but I'm going at it, y'all. All right. Oh, that is so good. Oh, it's really good, y'all. Oh, it's good. This is no joke. I don't know. I'm making my neighbors one. Oh, that's so good. So good. Yeah. I am amazed by this taste. It still have a little crunch to it. I love it, y'all. Absolutely. The shooting star eggplant. Girl, you good.